Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you are watching ENK Learning Hub. Let's start solving today's question. That is, show all columns for patients who have one of the following patient's ID. So they have given some list of patient IDs. We need to retrieve all those details. Okay. So to solve such type of things, select from patients. So as they are asking to return all the columns. So that is there are different columns which are in the patient's table. You can see over there. So we need to extract all this. So to retrieve all the columns, we can use simply star. So now they given a condition, that is we need to extract only these. There is a set of particular patient IDs. We need to retrieve their information, right? So where patient ID in 145 534 879 comma 1000. So these are all the patients we need to retrieve, right? So let's check it. Yeah, we got the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.